Stop by and take a look at the 2026 5500. Ram 5500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, speed control, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.